Ethereum may drop 1.6% by April 30 per CoinLore. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the current price conditions. As we speak, Ethereum has gone up 1.5% and is sitting around $2,325.50. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. Tomorrow's forecast from CoinPrice Forecast suggests $2,334, which is 0.4% higher than now. Ethereum could move toward $2,315.10, according to crypto predictions. A move down close to 0.5%. Cryptonization points out it could reach $2,302.06 on the downside. A projected drop of 1%. A different projection from CoinLore sees Ethereum dropping toward $2,288, a decrease of about 1.6%. Finally, Traders Union forecasts a fall to $2,275.61 by tomorrow, 2.2% down. This one gives the best return. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Having looked at the predictions, here's the next layer. Based on every forecast reviewed in this report, the price is projected to move between a decline of 2.2% and a gain of 0.4% depending on the analyst. This means Traders Union stands at the top with 2.2% climb in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could earn between $4 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinPrice Forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 86.3% probability. With the forecast combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. The combined outlook suggests Ethereum could be around $2,302.95. Let's crack this open. The consensus expectation is for a decrease of 1%. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 1%. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $10. And the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 82.3%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. CoinPrice Forecast notes that Ethereum could push higher. Upside potential is likewise noted by Crypto Predictions, who stays optimistic. Cryptonization points to a flat trajectory for Ethereum. The expectation from also CoinLore is for Ethereum to trade sideways, lacking clear momentum. Traders Union expects Ethereum to head lower. Collectively, the forecasts suggest Ethereum will remain balanced across this 3-day horizon. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Ethereum may gain ground in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. In the end, the final outcome was $2,289.33. Yesterday's market showed that one lone forecast was accurate. Highest accuracy score went to Digital Coin Price. Time to check the outcome in detail. Every analyst's forecast landed outside the candle range. As far as ROI is concerned, Digital Coin Price was the lone analyst in profit at 3.1%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. Looking at the summary, Gov Capital Collector registered minus 3.1% ROI and $74.27 accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. And now you'll see the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns based on consensus analysis. Chainlink takes first place in the forecast comparison, reaching 2.1%, while Ethereum ranks lower. In this section, Ethereum appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. If you want to stay ahead of the next big market shift, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.